Hey Mustangs, it's time to make another instrument at home. Today we're going to be making a triple instrument. It's going to be a güiro, shaker, drum. And as you recall from our last video, I asked you to see if you could save some sort of can like this and come up with a balloon. Now a quick note on the balloons. I know balloons are kind of hard to find and people don't always have them at their house. So I'm going to drop some balloons off at the school and leave them outside the teacher's room in a little envelope. So if you need to come by and grab one, go ahead. I hope I don't run out. I'll put a bunch out. Please just take one per student so there's enough for everybody, okay? All right. Another thing I've done is I've taken my can and I have put some masking tape around the rim just so it's not sharp. I don't want to cut myself. I don't get this. This can be kind of sharp and I'm a little bit clumsy. So just for safety, I've taped it up a little bit there. And with that, we are ready to begin. You can, if you would like to, get started by putting something into your can to turn it into a shaker. I have some rice here. You could use pebbles. You can use unpopped popcorn, dried beans, whatever you got. I'm going to use rice. Pour that rice into my can. Okay, next, here's our balloon. And we're going to cut part of it off. We're going to cut it about a third of the way from the bottom. So about right here. We're going to cut that with some scissors, because we need the opening to be just a little bigger. Okay, now give this balloon a little stretching. As you can see, I got rid of this. This is the part we don't want. Okay, this is the part we want. And I've got this opening here. I'm going to stretch the opening a little bit. Okay, the hardest part is this right here. We need to stretch this balloon over the can. I'm starting at the back, going to the front, and I've done it. Here's our instrument. Now I'm going to use these chopsticks that I have left over from some sushi takeout from a few weeks ago. Love sushi. Here we go. I got my chopsticks, and now when I tap them on my drum, let's hear how it sounds. So here's the finished product, as you can see. Nice sound. Also, it's a shaker. And these ridges turned it into a really great güiro. That's a South American instrument, popular in Afro-Cuban music. So you can make that scraping sound. You can turn it into a drum. You can shake. You can do a little of everything. So there you go. That's our instrument of the week. I'd love to see what you come up with. Show me some of the drums that you made at your house. Take care, Mustangs.